Guys, I found a really scary spider.
It's not that big.
Yes, it is big. Look, right there. See him?
You gotta zoom in. Zoom in. It doesn't look big.
Oh, there it is. See him?
Get closer.
More like a... No, he's gonna run really fast.
You want to see it run fast?
Yeah, see how fast it goes.
Yeah, touch it with the bat. You ready? Get a good shot of it. Get a good shot of it. Over here.
No, it's just...
Ready?
Yep.
See it?
1, 2, 3, go!
Ah!
Woo! He's fast. Okay, that's...
Look, he's going in the wall.
Alright, that's the end of the video. See him, he's going in the wall.
Half his butt is hanging out.
Yep, this is his butt.
Alright, hit him.
Alright, goodbye.
Go ahead, Hayden.
Say bye, Hayden.
Oh, where's he going?
Say bye, Hayden. Say bye. Say bye, Dad. Say bye, Hayden.
Bye.
Alright, we'll leave him
Okay.
alone.